Hello friends, today we are going to be making veg dumplings. Hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe, that really supports us. So let's get started.
We have taken some vegetable for dumplings for the filler. This is a yellow, green pepper, mushroom, yellow pepper, carrot, red pepper, some cabbage, ginger, chopped one, green chili, this is paneer, and this is mozzarella cheese. Now we are going to take a cabbage, put the cabbage inside, red pepper, green pepper, it's yellow, chopped carrot, mushroom. It depends how much quantity you need it. This is green chili. This is ginger garlic. It's only ginger. You can put it very little bit. Okay. Now you don't have to put salt in this, because if you put salt, it will leave the water. You have to prepare everything ready with your roti. Small you have to make like a roti, like how we make puri, because we have to fill it in that. Now after this mixing, you mix it nicely. Okay. Now I'm going to put some paneer. Now this is a cheese. We can't put this cheese like that. I have to scrap it. I have to do that. I'll come back to you. Now we are going to do this. You can take a big one or a small one. Just try to nicely. It should be like this, very fine. You can cut it also in the pieces. You don't have to do, because it takes too much time. I'm going to cut it with a small knife. Okay. If you can't do it with that, you can just chop it, because it takes too much time. See, I'm just trying to chop it. Now you have to mix it nicely, but please don't put salt. If you put salt, it is going to leave the water and your momos dumpling will become bad. Then now I already mixed it. Now I'm going to keep it in the side. Okay, just cover it and keep it on the side. Yeah, now I have taken, I already made a dough and I kept it ready. You have to cover it nicely and keep it for 10 minutes, because it should become little bit soft. Can you see? It should not get sticky in your hand or something. See? Just keep it for 10 minutes and leave it. After that, we have to make a small like a puri. How you make puri? That size it should be. Okay, when I'm going to make it, I'll show you how to do it. Trying to make a small chapati like a puri size. How you make puri at home, same like that you can do it. And just put it on the side. The other one. I told you after the parotha, sorry. Yeah, I told you, while you are filling your roti, that parotha, small one like a puri size, that time you can put a salt, okay, according to your taste. And then end of the, while you are filling, just put it little bit black pepper. That's fine. Keep it in the side. Now mix it. Just try to mix it. Don't drop it here and there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm just trying to fill it. Just don't put too much. Okay. Now we have done this one. You can take a water on your side, like a small bowl. Just do it this way, because we have to close it. Okay. Put everywhere. Make it. Now you can just try to cover it this way. cover it, and then you can take it. If you want, you can put it this way. That's a call.
Rose.
You can do this way. And now my son is going to do one. You can take this maker and you can just put a little bit oil everywhere. See? All it's like a idli only, but this we are going to give a steam, but little bit with a fry. Okay. Now
Go.
put it one by one. Okay. Try to make the gas slow.
Just cover it. So you can see our momos. They've become so good. They smell like spring rolls, but that's okay. So our dumplings is almost ready. Just we sprinkle some water on it and then we just keep it for some time. Wow. So here we have our tasty looking momos. So hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. This is really hard work how we made this. Please like and subscribe. We hope you enjoy. Thank you. Bye.